Welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to enable pop-up notifications for syncing updates to files on Google Drive. If you've ever missed an important update or wanted to stay instantly informed when your files are syncing, this simple quick fix will make sure you always get notified right on your screen. Let's walk through the steps together. First, start by opening the Settings app on your phone. This is where all your notification controls live, and it's the key to making sure Google Drive alerts work exactly the way you want them to. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps. From here, you'll see a list of all the applications installed on your phone. Find Google Drive and select it. Once you're inside the Google Drive settings, tap on Notifications. This section is where you can customize the way Drive communicates with you through alerts. Now tap on Notification Categories. You'll notice that Google Drive organizes different types of notifications here, so you can manage each one separately. Under the Other section, you'll find an option called Syncing Updates to Files. This is the specific notification we need to make sure you never miss those important file syncing alerts. Tap on it, and then toggle on Show as Pop-up. What this does is make the notification appear directly on your screen, instead of just sliding quietly into your notification shade. That way, as soon as something updates in your Google Drive, you'll see it instantly and won't have to worry about checking manually. And that's it. Just a few quick steps, and you're done. From now on, whenever Google Drive syncs your files, you'll get a clear pop-up notification that shows up on your phone, helping you stay on top of changes in real time. To recap, open Settings, tap on Apps, select Google Drive, go to Notifications, open Notification Categories, find Syncing Updates to Files, and toggle on Show as Pop-up. It's a simple change, but one that can make a huge difference in keeping your files organized and updated without any surprises. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to set it up on your device and enjoy seamless real-time Google Drive updates.